Hey team, we're about to do some serious sciencing right now, so I hope you're ready. Lab glasses on. So, today in our experiment, we're going to use this experiment to help us try to figure out how air moves. So, we've got this flask. It's filled with some water, and it's sitting here on the hot plate, getting hot. So I want you to think about what's happening in this flask with the pressure. Am I increasing the pressure in here or am I decreasing it? All right, so let's think about it. So I'm heating up the air in here. So a bunch of air. Air takes some space. So I'm heating the air. So is the air getting less dense or more dense? And what does that mean about pressure? Am I decreasing the pressure or increasing the pressure? Is it low pressure or high pressure in here? If I heat up the air. I'm also heating up the liquid that's down here. So you can kind of see that green there. So that is boiling water, and as it boils, some of that water is evaporating into that air. So I'm increasing the humidity of the air. So if I increase the humidity, is air pressure going up or going down? So what's that doing to density, and therefore what's it doing to pressure? All right? So something else cool to kind of point out right here is that water vapor is rising up. And so right here, hot, very hot, we've got some steam coming out there, some water vapor, 100 degrees. It's coming out 100 degrees here. And as it comes out of this thin little straw up here, it's doing what? It's expanding. So the air is expanding. And what do we know happens when air expands? Yeah, it cools. So we've got this air expanding and cooling, and it cools and reaches what point? Dew point, yeah. So it reaches the dew point. And what happens when we reach the dew point? Condensation happens and we get a cloud. Pretty cool. But back to our topic at hand, air pressure. So we've got some hot, humid air there. So what does that tell us about the pressure in here? Is the pressure inside this flask high or low? All right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this into this beaker full of just room temperature green water. All right, so we're just at normal room temperature, normal pressure, atmospheric pressure here. I'm going to flip it over carefully, try not to break anything this time. Whoa, what just happened? A whole bunch of this liquid went shooting up into here. Why? What happened?